Namaskar to all. Our today's topic is food. Food is the most important source of energy. Now we are going to see each and everything from the viewpoint of energy world. What happens in the energy world and how do we affect our food in a negative or in a positive way. List of doing things what we are supposed to do and what we are not supposed to do. So let's start from the very beginning. If you are the one who cut vegetables or who cook food, then while doing this kind of thing, then you're not supposed to shout, you're not supposed to get angry, you're not supposed to have negative feelings or emotions or hurtful emotion. Say for example, it happens that you are maybe cutting vegetables or you are preparing food, then whatever things you are into, whatever things you do, while doing that thing, if you create negative energy, then negative energy as in like if you create all those, maybe you are very much worried, you are very much tensed about something, or maybe you are stressed out, okay, because of any reason. So what happens in that case, you are creating that energy again and again. Or like say for example, if you have to do a work, then how will you do that work and what will happen and what will be the output, and so like a number of thoughts you create, or people they do create. So whatever kind of energy you create actually, and if you're doing the work at the same time, if you're cutting the vegetables or if you're preparing the food, then actually you are mixing those energies what you are creating at that point of time with the food. Okay, it's like our energy body is like actually a tree. In case of tree, some part of the tree is under the ground, under soil, and some part of the tree is on top of soil. So you can say like similarly our energy body is like that, where some part of the energy body remains inside the physical body and some part of the energy body remains outside of the physical body. Okay, so what happens if you are say for cutting or cooking something, then whatever things you are doing, actually all those things are falling inside your energy body, and whatever energy you are creating while doing this kind of thing, actually you are energizing those food with those kind of thoughts which you are creating at that time.